Hello everyone, my name is Victor. I'm here with cultmyk, and today I'm going to show you how to create this effect on Adobe Illustrator. Let's begin. So here I have a 1920 by 1080 artboard, and the first thing I'm going to do is create a background. So if I type the letter M on my keyboard, I will get the rectangle tool, and I just click anywhere and do 1920 by 1080 like so, and then I'm going to hit OK. Now this is the color I'm going to be working with. Of course you can choose whichever color you'd like. Now I aligned the background to my artboard, as you can see. So I did horizontal and vertical align to it. So now that I have my background, I'm going to go to my layers and I'm going to lock that layer. So now I can't do anything on it. Then I'm going to create a new layer and we're going to do the shape right here. Now typing T on my keyboard, that will give me the type tool. And if I just click once, I am going to be able to type. And I'm going to type square up, just like so. So now I'm going to change the font to Bebas, and again, you can use whatever you want, of course. So now I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see what's going on. So I'm going to select my words, and then I'm going to do Command-Shift-O. And as you can see, this is no longer editable. So that's how you create outlines on your text. The next thing I'm going to do is create a copy. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to start dragging down and then hold down Option Shift, and I'm going to create a copy. So I'm just going to drag it down and then I'm going to let go of it. So what we're going to do is rotate it. If I hover over, my cursor is going to change to these two little lines. I'm going to hold down Shift and then I'm going to drag to the left. So now I'm going to line it up over here, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom and the side. So actually what I'm going to do is just line it up like that, and this one like that, and then I'm going to create this shape over here, drag it over, and then I'm going to make it a square. So now this is kind of a square, not necessarily a square, but it will do for this tutorial. And of course you can get as detailed as you want. You can measure up, bring out the ruler, etc., whatever you want to do. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to eyeball it. So yeah, let me actually at least make sure that these two are lined up to each other like that. So I'm going to select this two and put it up. There we go. So now the next thing I'm going to do is give this text a fill and a stroke. So I'm going to select everything, and then I'm going to type the letter I on my keyboard, and I'm going to click on the background. So it's going to be the same fill as the background. Now with this still selected, I'm going to go to my stroke option over here, and I'm going to double click it, and I'm just going to give it a really dark gray, almost black but not quite. So this is what it's going to look like so far. So I'm going to make it just a little bit thicker. I'm going to go to my stroke options, and I'm going to give it a weight of maybe 3. So that's a little better. So the next thing I'm going to do is select everything, and I'm going to go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and then Transform, and then I'm going to give this values 95, 95, and we're going to make this 3 degrees, and I'm going to make maybe 45 copies for it. Then I'm going to hit OK, and there we have it. And the last little touch up I want to do is select everything, go to my stroke, give it maybe like a 5, and then I'm going to select this right here that is align stroke to outside, and that makes it look a little more legible. But anyway, so yeah, this is a little trick that I want to show you on Illustrator. Obviously you can get very creative with it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and check out my other videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.